Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be making the steel and wooden desk. So we got the steel down at the shop. It's down here now, so we're going to start picking through this cherry which our grandpa gave us. Now we're going to pick through it and see if there's any we can use for the desk. Oh, didn't see you there. We're just cutting these boards to rough length. My dad's gonna cut the board for me. We just ran these through the joiner. They started looking like this, but now they look like this. It's always good to check your dust collection, Bill. This is before you plane. This is what we found. I don't think we can plane right now. We just put all these boards through the thickness planer. Now we're going to put them through the sander. Hi guys, so we just labeled all of our pieces. So this is the plan that we are following to make the desk. And this is, so we're going to be using biscuits to join these four pieces together. And we labeled them top 1, top 2, top 3, and top 4. Right here, this is our vertical piece. It basically goes like this at the back. And then this piece is our upper piece. It's going to be sitting on top of this piece, on top of the middle. This is what I did in a video last time when I was younger. We're getting ready to do the glue up. We already cut our biscuit holes, and we're going to put some biscuits in with some buttery biscuits, totally. So we had a stressful glue up. We put pans on so then we could have the boards relabeled. They have packing tape on them so then glue doesn't stick. And it's just a monstrosity of clamps. We're going to go get lunch, and after that we're going to start working on the metal portion of my desk. We're starting to cut our steel to size on a horizontal bandsaw. pieces cut to length, and we set up a leg over here. Good morning, guys. Today we're going to start welding, and we're going to declamp the top of my desk. I got all of our steel labeled and decided to bring it out to get it prepped for welding. So we got all of our pieces laid out here, and the next step for welding is to grind all the corners so then we can get prepped for welding. I'm going to try to grind a piece of metal. My dad taught me how to grind, so let's try it. My dad was teaching me about weld settings. And we got our gas turned on and we're ready to start doing some test welds. We got all these joints tack welded and my dad's gonna weld them completely shut. We just finished welding this first leg. Just need to weld another one. And then we have some legs. And our welds turned out pretty well. We got the legs welded up. And now we clamped the structures in place. We're about to tack weld them, and then we're going to weld it on out. So while my dad was out there working on the welding, I was in here working on the board, and I used this tool on the front, and I got as much glue off as I could, and then I flipped it back and did the same thing. And then I started hand sanding with a piece of sandpaper, and these are the 2 rows I've done. And you can barely even see any glue. Two, three. Wow. Probably 1 more coat of polyurethane. So we're going to go give you an update, and we're going to go see how my desk is doing. My dad's been working on some paint and polyurethane. And check it out, it's snowing. We're going to walk down there in the snow.
Go.
have a finished booth set up. Here's the base. It's coated with 2 coats of primer and 2 coats of paint. This is the top. It's been coated with 2 coats of shellac and 2 coats of polyurethane. The poly's done, and we just attached the upper shelf with screws. Finally, we're putting the top of my desk onto the actual desk. My dream is coming true of having this desk be complete. This is so exciting to finally have a desk of my own. Look at this top. We finished the desk and we brought it up to the house and we put it in front of the Christmas tree before we brought it up to my room. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this build as much as I did.